Welcome back for the next part. This is Maddie sitting in position. Got a low back bucket seat and we're just trying to work out the height of the body line, how much further forward the seat needs to be so she can get to the pedals. So I think we'll start on the bodywork, maybe cut some of the column away to reposition that, and some seat mounts. So just having a bit of a measure up since Maddie sat in the seat, and what I need to do is remove this bar and start it coming out earlier because the seat needs to go forwards, column needs to come out, I need to get the steering rack in. So yeah, I need to move the seat forward about 8 inches from where Maddie was sitting, just so that she can reach the pedals and the engine fits in behind. So I've just narrowed the track a little bit at the front to where the wheels need to be. Got to pull the rear wheels in because they're a little bit far out, but I need to cut these two outriggers off. So yeah, I'm going to start cutting this bit of tube and taking the column out. Trying to reuse as many bits off the original chassis as possible, so this is just a bit of straight bar that I'm going to use. I've cut the intersecting tubes off and I'm just using the lathe to remove the bits that are left. So that is the tube after being in the lathe. Just going to try and clean some of that with a grinder and then cut it and weld it to a bend to replace that chassis straight section. One steering column removed. I need to add in this piece here. So I've got this piece of inch or so stainless, which is going to be the lower front edge. I know it's not straight. For the front of the car, so it's got a little bit of a roll at the front, so it's not a sharp edge. And then using the templates I made out of a bit of welding wire for the side profile, I've bent the two upper sides out of the stainless steel box. So I now need to start attaching those to the chassis. So this is it, a few hours on. Got the basic shape. That is 18 meters of tube. Tried to triangulate as much as possible. The seat can go much further forward now. This is a temporary bar because the front bodywork has a lower section know if you can see that, where the lights are. So it's not completely flat at the front. So yeah, that is the next section to do. That is about it, really. It looks quite sort of short and squat, well, short and high really for its length, but with the spoiler on the back, it should all start to balance out. I'll bring the wheels out a little bit more at the front, drop the wheels in at the back, and yeah, start getting some detail at the front. That's it. Thanks for watching.